can see. I don't know. I am able to capture or not. So guys, I think I need to go there और मुझे फ़ोन रखना पड़ेगा, ये बहुत ही अफसोस